Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2011 Jeep Liberty Sport 4-wheel drive. Stock number B9221PA. Only 48,000 miles on this local trade. Bright silver metallic in color. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Rear seats recline, as well as fold flat for additional cargo space. Trailer hitch. You can open just the glass to drop smaller items in. Lots of cargo space in the rear. This Liberty is free of dents or dings. This Sport has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, easy to read gauges. Temperature and compass display in the dash. Cruise control. Easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. Heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission, and shift on the fly 4-wheel drive. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with the owner's manual inside. Under the hood, this Liberty has a 3.7 liter V6, 215 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 21 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this Liberty, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.